Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn some new words. Download the list in the description. Let's get started.
Word.
Pet. P E T. Pet.
Word.
Hen. H E N. Hen.
Word.
Fan. F A N. Fan.
Word.
Bed. B E D. Bed.
Word.
Boy. B O Y. Boy.
Word.
Duck. D U C K. Duck.
Word.
Kite. K I T E. Kite.
Word.
Shoe. S H O E. Shoe.
Word.
For. F O U R. For.
Word.
Bear. B E A R. Bear.
Congrats! You're awesome! See you in the next video and remember to subscribe. See ya! Woohoo!